Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor. Uh, I'm working in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. In the previous videos, we had covered chapter number 1. Now in this session, we are going to cover section 2, chapter number 5, that is checkout, subject code C303, accommodation operations 1. First of all, we should know the objectives of this content. Uh, the objectives of this content is to know the procedure of departure notification. What do you mean by departure notification? Departure notification nothing but information when as the guest leaves. There are a number of tasks that have to be completed by reception. You know that there are so many activities, there are so many tasks which should be completed by the reception when the guest leaves. Once the bill has been paid, the cashier will either pass the registration card back to the reception or send a notification. There are two options to the cashier, whether he can make a departure notification or he can send the registration card back to the reception. So this is how departure notification is existed. The receptionist should then remove the guest name from the room status system and mark the room vacant but not ready. As soon as the reception department come to know about the departure of a particular guest, at the same time the guest will pay the bill and information should be passed on to the front office department saying that the bill has been paid by the guest and change the status of the room. So the reception department will change the status and they will keep as a vacant but not ready, unless and until household department will not clean the guest rooms and will not refill all the amenities and facilities, and they will not make it up to date till the time the status would be vacant. Notifications of the departure should be made to the relevant department, so that every department should know that the particular guest is going to departure. uh, these notifications should be sent to the housekeeping porters and switchboard so that they may update their house list. As soon as departure notification will go and received by every department, they will be in a position to uh, send you all the details of a particular guest. The housekeeper will then be able to assign a maid to clean a room, and when it has been inspected, the room will be returned to the reception and it will be possible to relay the accommodation. Like I have mentioned, once the guest has decided to go for a departure, the departure notification would be released, either departure notification or registration card should be sent back to the reception. So there are two options. So as soon as the guest departed, they will close the account of a particular guest and the status will be changed, and the same information should be passed on to the housekeeping department so that they will be in a position to go and remake the guest room for another guest, so that the same information should be passed on to front office and they can change the status that the room is ready or room is ready for sale or the room is vacant likewise. But during these transactions and during this process, extra departures and extensions of stay are notified to departments separately to ensure that they are not overlooked. As per the departure procedure, there are so many other tasks also should be done by the reception. So during that transactions or that process, we should not overlook or we should not ignore the other departures or the extra departures which may happen during that process. So you should have a proper strategy or and proper procedures how to go about one by one departure uh, procedures. Departure notification slips are printed to inform the other departments of the guest checkout. Like I have mentioned, unless and until front office department will not send the departure notification slips to other departments. Other departments will not come to know that the guest is going to depart. So that is what front office will print it, and it will send to all the respective department. See, nowadays it is very much easy through internet, that departure notification slips can be easily created and can be easily sent to all the respective departments. So within a short period of time, all the department will receive the department notification slips, and they will come to know that how many guests are going to depart today. As far as manual system is concerned, and it is in use in some hotels of the countries, they maintain the room racks, and the room rack should be updated. Either room rack should be updated or the departure register is also updated. So both the things should be maintained by the hotel where manual system is going to use. This is the format of hotel departure notification slip. You can see the hotel name has been given, and the heading you can see departure notification slip. Then department point of sale. Point of sale means the revenue generating areas like bar, restaurant, coffee shop, spa, salon. So these are department where guest has uh, uh, rendered the services. So they will also come to know that this guest is already departed. Then reception. Then you can see this information has been given, that this is to inform you that the following guest is departing from the hotel. Kindly rush the credit charges to the front desk. So like whenever the guest would like to go for departure, the departure notification slip should be sent to all the point of sale areas, and they will update the account of a respective guest, and they will send the credit charges to the front office through internet, because it has been integrated to every point of sale area. So without losing much of the time, they can easily send all the charges, all the expenses which was rendered by a particular guest, and which will be getting accumulated in the guest folio with the help of front office. So unless all the point of sale will not receive the departure notification slip, they will not understand, and they will not come to know that the particular guest is going to depart today. So it is the prime duty of front office staff to send departure notification slip in advance, uh, or as soon as they receive information from the guest, keep it ready. Again, you can see in this slip, name of the guest has been given, then number of the room, then date of the departure, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, and then what time he or she will be departing from the hotel, and the type of room, and the authorized signatory of a particular departure. So this is how this departure notification slip would be prepared and would be sent to the respective department. Now we are moving towards revision section of this content. The first question which I would like to ask you, that what is departure notification? I believe that everyone has got the answers through all the PowerPoint presentation, that what do you mean by departure notification. The next slide speaks about a quiz on departure notification. I will put the link of the quiz in the YouTube comment box of this video. You can appear for this quiz and you can see the scores once you submitted the quiz online. These are the references which I have used for this PowerPoint presentation. These many books I have referred, and these many websites also I have referred for the PPT. Finally, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.